Good day, ma'am. I'm RJ Carlas from Block J, and today, papakita ko ulit yung system ko pero na-enhance na at meron ng ibang details. First of all, open muna natin to. Login lang. And as you can see, meron na siyang details ngayon, hindi katulad ng dati. Walang laman. Tulad sa home, meron na. About, meron na din. Contact. Kita na rin dito, man. Sample output, dito na rin. Settings, dito na. And logout tayo at ipapakita ko yung aking. Here's my code, ma'am. Dito makikita nyo na lang dito. Dashboard, home, login, register, and sample HTML. Yun lang po. Thank you.